if you want a pre-made work area, then you can use something called frameworks. So to do that, on the left side, you can go around and click on frameworks button right here. And here are different frameworks, as you can see. So let's say, for example, there is the a bullseye framework right here. And if you were to click, this is what you have. So these are simply a collection of text and other graphics, as you can see right here. So you can go around right here, and this is the framework right here. Similarly, you can go for agile or business right here. So let's say I want a framework for let's say, for example, I'm going to say time right here. So the time machine framework is here. So related frameworks will actually appear as long as it is there. So the framework that you see are simply a collection of different graphics, as you can see right here. So that is how you can insert out frameworks onto the mix inside of your Mural. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.